Hi friends, I'm Drishti and I welcome you to Tech with Drishti YouTube channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to Tech with Drishti YouTube channel to stay up to date with the latest technology. In this video, I'll explain you how to download and install natural sounding voices with narrator. So, first of all, you need to turn on your narrator. The command to turn on and off your narrator is Windows plus Control plus Enter. First, I'll quit my NVDA.
Exit NVDA dialog. What would you like to do? Do workplace with.
Now, I'll press Control plus Windows plus Enter to turn on narrator.
Scan mode 3 of 13 window heading level 1. Welcome to Narrator. This is Narrator Home where
You can check out the description. Now you can press Tab key to navigate to Settings button, or else you can press Alt S to open narrator settings. Alt S is the short command.
S. Settings window. Narrator toggle switch on.
Now I'll press Tab key till I find Add Natural Voices Add button.
Show all settings button. Keyboard shortcut. Narrator home group. Complete guide to narrator. Choose a voice Microsoft Nirza Natural English India combo box collapsed.
This is a combo box where different voices are available. You can choose the voice which you want to use with your narrator.
Show all settings button collapsed. Add natural voices group add button.
This is the option which I was looking for. I'll hit enter.
Choose a voice window link. Choose a different language. English. Select natural voice to preview internet connection required.
I'll press tab.
Microsoft Ryan Natural Mail English United Kingdom 20.1 megabytes 1 of 4 selected.
Hello, my name is Ryan. I am a high-quality speech voice that you can use for your
Microsoft Sonia Natural Female English United Kingdom 20.1 megabytes 2 of 4 selected.
Hello, my name is Sonia. I am a high-quality
Microsoft Guy Natural Mail English United States 12 megabytes 3 of 4 selected.
Hello, my name is Guy. I am a high-quality speech voice that you can use.
Microsoft Jenny Natural Female English United States 11.4 megabytes 4 of 4 selected.
Hello, my name is Jenny. I am a high-quality speech voice that you can use for your screen reading needs with narrator which
Microsoft Ryan Natural Mail download and install button.
Suppose if I want to download Microsoft Ryan, so I just press tab and I got an option download and install button. If I hit enter on it, the voice will start getting downloaded. Now I'll press tab key to show you something different.
Cancel button.
This is cancel button.
Link choose a different language.
Here one link is available which says choose different language. If you hit enter on it, you'll find list of different languages like Chinese, Portuguese, Spanish, and so on. So currently English language is selected. If you want to download natural sounding voices for any other language, you can select your preferred language and you can go ahead.
Microsoft Ryan Natural Mail download and install button.
The best thing which I noticed is, after announcing the name of the voice, you were able to listen to the voice sample. So I'm pressing enter here.
Progress status 0%. Installing natural voice window cancel button.
Just wait for some time.
Progress. Progress state. Progress. Progress status. Progress status 90%.
Progress status 100%. Settings window. Add natural voices group. Add button.
Finally, the voice is downloaded. Please note Hindi version of this video is available. You can check out the description box. The link to the same will be made available in the description box. If you have any feedback or any queries, feel free to drop it in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to respond. That's it for today. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye.
Narrator 2.4. Zoom workplace. Screen sharing meeting controls window. Mute.